Ever feel like we live our whole lives inside this little screen? I mean, look at that. Full bars, a perfect Wi-Fi signal. But wait a second. I'm trapped inside this room. I am surrounded by thick, solid brick walls. So how exactly does the internet get in here? Through the bricks? See that blue router sitting over there in the corner? There are no wires connecting it to me. No cables. Just thin air. It really makes you wonder, is it actual magic? Let's use our imagination for a moment. Imagine if we could actually see the Wi-Fi energy. It would look like tiny, invisible electric ghosts popping out of the router. These little ghost messengers, technically called data packets, are floating right across the room. And here is the coolest part. Walls? Walls don't stop them. They just phase right through the bricks, like they aren't even there. Once they're out, they zoom straight toward my phone, and then, boom, they dive right into the screen and disappear. That invisible touch is what lights up the world inside my hand. Your messages, your videos, it's all thanks to these little travelers. Right now, as you listen to this, billions of them are flying around you effortlessly. Furniture, walls, doors. Radio waves don't care about obstacles. So remember, it's not magic, it's physics. It's simply amazing technology. Catch you on the next page of Leo's sketchbook. Stay curious with Eureka Village.